back to the channel. Today we have a piece of unknown wood filled with wormholes. I'm going to make this pretty simple. I'm going to flatten the bottom off, put in a mortise, and we're going to turn it around and we're going to hollow pretty much this portion out. Leave this like it is. You'll see I'm not going to be able to, I'm turn it pretty fast. It'll go pretty much full speed at this setting on the lathe. And then I'll hollow the inside out, and I may carve this out on the other side. I don't know for sure yet. But first thing is flatten the bottom, create the mortise, and then we'll be able to turn it around. We're going to try and leave the bark completely intact and just make this a little dish to set on somebody's table. So here we go. As you saw, I got a catch. It stripped the wormwood screw, so now I've got this on a faceplate, and it is mounted a little differently than it was. It's going to be a little more wobbly than it was before, so we're just going to have to run with it. This is about as fast as I can turn it, and that's probably going to be persistent through the whole turn, so since I'm not taking any of the edges off. So let's see how it goes. Got the mortise turned. I'm going to go to sanding. As you can see, there are a lot of bug holes. This time, unlike the last video, I think I'm just going to leave them as they are. If the dirt falls out, the dirt falls out. That was a lot of work. I'm just trying to make a quick piece here while I'm trying to ponder my next big move. I've got some pecan that's got some pretty pink in it. I think I'm gonna try and cut a piece of that and turn that next. But just wanted to do another quick project to get something out of the way. And this has been sitting there with this idea in head for a while. So get it sanded up and get it turned around, and we'll start hollowing on the inside. Back in short. Bottom sanded up to 400. Turned it around, mount it on the chuck again. We'll see how well this goes. I've got it marked out. I shouldn't have to do much to the top. The top is pretty flat too. So just gonna start hollowing this out and see what we can make it look like. All right, this is sanded up to 250. There wasn't any reason to go any farther with it with all of the wormholes, as you can see. It's got lots of them. Some of the tailings, I guess for lack of a better word, are coming out. So I'm not sure what to do about it. I've got two options. One, I could throw CA glue in there to keep it from coming out, or go ahead and pick it out. I am undecided on that part. However, I was joking with my wife when I saw this, and I said, I think I just made an ashtray, honey. And she laughed, but she looked at it and she goes, yeah. She says, that looks like an ashtray. So I have a proposition for Leo. If he would, he makes medallions for the bottoms of ashtrays that he makes and sends off to other people. And if he wanted to do that, that would be great. If he doesn't, I understand. He's in over across the pond, and that's probably an expensive thing to do. So I just thought I would throw it out there. But we'll do something with it. I'm not going to finish it yet because I may go look for something to put in the bottom of it and go ahead and turn this into an ashtray. And I'll post the video. This will be like a 1 of 2. And when I figure out what I'm going to do with the rest of it, I'll bring you back and we'll finish it out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, and tell your friends about it. Thank you very much. Bye.